Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make Roblox dark mode on phone. Enabling the dark mode theme on phone is a very simple process. As long as you already have a Roblox account, you can do this in just a few clicks. The first step is go to your Roblox app, and then at the bottom, click the three dots and look for settings. Click on that. Under the settings, click account info. Under the account information, scroll down and you will see the theme at the bottom. Now click the drop down at the right side and select dark mode. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.